Hi, in this video we discuss the frequency distribution table for one qualitative variable. Frequency distribution table is a descriptive analysis method used to study the distribution of data collected on the variable of interest. Let's start our discussion with frequency distribution table for one qualitative variable. The question here is, what is the variable's distribution? Let's explain the variable's distribution by the means of an example. Consider the variable gender, and we know that gender has got two values, female and male. The distribution of gender in the population or sample from which we have collected data, in other words, the objects under the study, is the number of males and the number of females. In other words, the distribution of the variable gender is giving us the way the total observation is being divided or distributed among male and females in that population or sample. Specifically, if we have n observations, let's say 100, the distribution of the variable gender shows that how many of these 100 are female, which is NF, and how many are male, which is NM. Frequency distribution table presents the distribution in a structured table. For example, consider the following data set and construct the frequency distribution table for the variable gender. We see that the variable gender has got two values, which is being recorded in the column for the class. The first class belongs to females, the second class belongs to the males. Then in the second column here we have the absolute frequency, which is the number of females and the number of males in the data set that we are studying. If we count the number of females, we have 5 females here and 3 males. In total, we have 8 observations. In addition to absolute frequency, most of the time it's useful to have the percentage of female and male observations. In order to find the percentage, we first find the ratio of females and males and then transform it to percentage. The ratio of females is 5/8, which is 62.5%, and the ratio of males is 3.8, which is 37.5%. If you're not sure how to find this, simply divide 3 by 8 and multiply it by 100, then you get 37.7%. Then you get 37.5%. And of course, the total of the two is 100%. In total, 8 observations in our study. And in order to see the distribution of the variable gender, we want to see how many of these 8 people are female, which is 5, and how many are male, which is 3. So this is the distribution of the variable gender, and this distribution is being systematically and more structured way represented by this frequency distribution table.